Good morning, everyone. Wake up. It's a beautiful day.
Good morning, Mom. I'm awake. Good morning, Mom. Can I sleep for 5 more minutes?
No, dear. You'll be late for school.
Good morning, family. How is everyone today?
I'm feeling great. I'm still sleepy.
Wash your face, and you'll feel fresh.
Breakfast will be ready in 10 minutes.
Hurry up, everyone.
We're coming, Mom. Okay, I'll get ready now. Mom, where is my blue notebook?
Check your study table.
Mom, I can't find my socks.
Look under your bed.
Did everyone pack their school bags?
Yes, Dad. Mine is ready. Yeah! Oh no! I forgot my water bottle.
Don't worry. Here it is.
Thank you, Mom.
Always check your school bag before leaving. Always check your school bag before leaving.
Okay, Dad. I'll remember that. Everything is ready now.
Great! Let's leave on time.
Come and have breakfast, everyone.
We're coming. What are we eating today?
Bread, omelet, and milk.
I want some ketchup, Mom.
Sure. Here you go.
The breakfast smells delicious.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you for making such a nice meal.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
Everything is so tasty. Yes, let's finish quickly before we leave.
Are you both ready?
Yes, Dad. I'm ready. I'm ready too.
Don't forget your lunch boxes.
Study well and listen to your teachers.
We will, Dad. We will, Dad. I'll do my best today.
That's my good boy.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Mom. See you in the evening.
Bye, darlings. Have a great day at school. Have a wonderful day. Take care.
Take care.
Let's go. We'll be on time.
Welcome back, everyone.
Hi, Mom. We're home. I'm really hungry.
Wash your hands first.
Today was a busy day at school.
Really? Tell us about it.
First, we had a surprise art quiz.
How was school today?
Wow! It was great! I got full marks in English.
That's wonderful. I'm proud of you.
We also had a science quiz today.
Great job! Keep up the good work.
Finish your homework before watching TV.
First, read the question carefully.
Okay, Dad, I will read it.
Perfect. Now let us solve it.
Dad, can you help me with this math problem?
Of course. Let me see it. Thrun 231
Huh? Now try solving it step by step.
I think I understand now.
Learning together is always helpful. I finished my homework, Mom.
Excellent job!
Well done, both of you. Keep studying hard.
Dinner is ready, everyone.
Great! Let's eat together.
Wow, it looks delicious!
Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.
Can I have some more rice?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Eat slowly and chew your food well.
Okay, Dad.
Tell me about your favorite part of the day.
I enjoyed my English class the most. I liked playing football with my friends.
That sounds wonderful. I'm happy you both had a good day. Brush your teeth before sleeping.
Okay, Mom. I'll do it now.
Don't stay up late tonight.
Don't worry, Dad. I'll sleep on time. Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, dear.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, son. Sleep well.
Have sweet dreams.
Thank you, Mom. You too.
Tomorrow is another beautiful day. Good night.
Good night. See you tomorrow.